Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? PB, PT, PS and more. Let's start coding. I have already created our project file as you see guys. Let's start with padding button. I want to create a div with background BG secondary first. And let's create a H2 padding bottom. Let's assign class name padding bottom 0 and bg info. Let's save it and have a look at it. We can't understand meaning of it at the moment. Let's add more examples to see the difference guys. Let me copy that one and paste 5 more times. That one also has total 6 value between 0 to 5. Let's change that values. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, padding values. That one is padding 5, you see that space, and that one is padding 0, and there is no space at bottom side. Let me copy that one and paste it one more time. Let's add a HR first. We just need to change the that value. It means you just need to change B with T. Let's change that one too. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, this time we put padding values top of the text. Let's have a look at adding padding left and right. I want to create another div with BG secondary background. Let me put a HR here too. Let's create a H2 tag again. Padding start, it means left side. Let's assign the class name PS0 and BG info. As I mentioned in our margin tutorial guys, we used to use padding left or margin left or margin right or padding right, but that thing has changed in Bootstrap 5. Let's save it and have a look at it. That is padding start left. It means there is no padding at left side. Let's copy and paste 5 more times. Let's change values. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys that padding values and we noticed that space. Let's have a look at padding end as well. I want to use different examples for that section. I want to create a button for this example. Padding end 0 and let's assign class names. Class btn info and padding end 0. By the way, we can create buttons with that class name. We will talk about buttons specifically in our future videos. I just wanted to show it quickly in this tutorial. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, there is no space. Let's copy and paste 5 more times. Let's change the that values. And let's change those as well. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, that spaces end of the hour button. Let me put BR. Let's save it and have a look at it. So we see it very clearly end of padding. If you want, you can add padding start for that one too. It means you can use together, let's say padding start 0. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, you can use both of them at the same time. Let's have a look at adding padding left side and right side. Let's put a HR and let's create a p tag lorem 10 and let's add a span tag in the text. Padding left and right. Let's add the class here, px5 and bginfo. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we assigned padding left side and right side. Lastly, I want to show adding padding for all sides. Let me put another HR here and I want to create another button heading all sides and let's add the class name btn info p5. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, we added padding all sides equally by using p5. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.